Hi everyone, this is my presentation over the self-driving cars for the midterm. The self-driving cars enhance a lot. They enhance ease of access, they make roads generally safer, and they increase more free time. They also obsolete a lot of stuff. They make GPS, driver-operated cars, and even traffic lights overall obsolete. But if we're not careful, they'll reverse into bad things, bad problematic things, situations. For example, they'll be difficult to access if too many safety steps are required, but dangerous roads to return if ease of access is too great. Also, wasted time spent turning on a car and checking safety precautions when that time could just be spent driving will be a big hassle. Also, one more thing. Well, maybe more than one more thing, but anyways, it also retrieves safer roads, approximately equal travel opportunities for the blind, an easier process to get around. There are a lot of unintended consequences for the self-driving car. Accidents still happen. Machines aren't perfect. Harder and longer setup than just regular driving, most likely, in order to be safe. Distractions can still cause problems if the driver is too distracted and that doesn't focus on the road at all. And the need for the human to still pay attention to, like I just said, the need for the human to still pay attention to the road and not blindly trust the machine. And then even more reliance on machines is kind of spooky. Like, it's not a good idea, maybe. Overall, this is amazing tech, but the self-driving car is amazing tech, but we still need the potential. There's still potential danger. There's still need for driver to get the chance not be distracted. There's other issues as well, like safety and other consequences such as convenience being reduced. And this is my read for you. I hope you enjoyed.